Hello, and welcome to SHIELD Illinois' Unobserved collection tutorial. You have received a saliva self-collection kit for the SHIELD Illinois COVID-19 test. Before we get started, there are a few rules you must follow. Sanitize or wash your hands before and after your sample is given. Do not eat, drink, chew gum, smoke, or use mouthwash within 60 minutes of taking the test. Doing so could result in a rejected sample. You will have to repeat the test if your sample isn't clear. Inside each kit, you should have a biohazard bag, a QR code sticker, a sanitizing wipe, a collection tube and cap, and a funnel. Begin by holding the uncapped collection tube. Next, place the funnel in the tube. Drool slowly into the funnel. Do not spit or try to push bubbles down the funnel into the tube. What happens if your mouth is dry and you're having a hard time giving a sample? Try one of these tips. Gently rub the outside of your cheeks to produce saliva. Try making a chewing motion with your mouth. Try yawning. Or think about your favorite foods. Check the tube to make sure you have 2 to 2.5 milliliters of saliva, about halfway to the top. Next, remove the funnel and throw it away. Securely screw the cap onto the tube. Remember, it is not a push-on cap. A sanitized wipe is provided in your kit. Use this to wipe the tube and your hands one last time. Place the tube into the small bag and seal. Place one of the QR stickers on the outside of the bag. Remember, it's important that you return the sample the same day you collected it. Protect the sample from extreme temperatures and do not keep in your car. Return the sealed biohazard bag to your local collection site. You're done. Thank you for watching this SHIELD Illinois Unobserved collection tutorial. For more information, go to shieldillinois.com.